Hi guys, Lewis Biddle here from Hair for All. Just wanted to touch base, adding to my vlog series. An often question which comes up from friends and family and new people who are inquiring about hair systems is, does it hurt? Absolutely not. Why would it hurt? It's not something which is basically abrasive on the skin, or it's not essentially, you're not having a graft from like when you have a transplant where they take it from the bottom. It's nothing like that. It is a case that they essentially just basically go, they take a skin graft, a sort of a stencil of the balding area, and then what they do is they create a membrane, which is a lace membrane, which has the hair sewed into it. So it's not getting sewed into your scalp or anything like that. It is a membrane which literally marries up to the balding areas on your scalp. Now, what the Hair for All team will do is basically shave the actual area which is balding around here, and then what they will do is then basically put a super adhesive glue on the scalp, which you leave to set for around sort of 10 to 15 minutes, which will basically create a super adhesive bond. Now that system then simply just sits tightly and glues into the actual scalp, which then basically creates a strong bond which is resistant from sweat-free, rain, anything like that. You just literally can't even pull it off. It's just skin tight. And a lot of people say, does that hurt? No, it doesn't. There's no pain, there's no feeling. And people often say, do I often feel that I have a system on my head? You don't feel that you've got a system on your head at all. If anything, it just feels like my normal hairs on my head. Even if I screw my face up or if I tighten my head, the actual bond moves with the head anyway. So you can never feel anything actually on top of your scalp. But you know, only you will know that once you have your system fitted. But rest assured, there is absolutely no pain going through having a hair system. But if you do have any questions, by all means, please contact hairforall.com, and I know that the team will be happy to help. Thanks, bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.